Hello everyone, this is Atech, bringing you another video. Um, and today's video, it's for getting your computer up fast and ready to go when you need it. Um, and we're gonna start with a tool that I like a lot, and this tool is called CC Cleaner. And I will put that the download link on in my description of my video. So let's get right to it. So CC Cleaner will be the tool that you will be using um, once we get it up in here. So what's neat about CC Cleaner is that um, we see the PC specs right here. You know, we can see what our PC specs are right here, and it's really nice. So the first thing that I will do is I will click analyze here. And this is what's this gonna do is gonna analyze all of our stuff here and make sure that it gets all of the stuff that it research our hard drive and make sure that all of our stuff are there before it even clears them out. Um, so we'll wait here a little bit, and I haven't done this in a little bit, so and that's just if it just tells you if you want to close Chrome. Sure, it'll close Chrome for you if you have Chrome open. Um, so here we see that we have 1.1 megs to be removed. We haven't removed them yet, but we're going to. This scans your browser and it scans all the other browsers to make sure that you know it tells you exactly uh, the amount of files that that the program might clean up for you. So when we click Run Cleaner, it should clean all of our stuff here in a second. And that what's gonna do is it's just gonna go through your internet cache, your internet history, or your cookies, and all that stuff will be cleared, um, just so that your browser runs a little bit faster. Um, so once this is done here, um, we know that we remove 1.1 megs, so that's good. The next thing I want to go is to the registry tab. In here we can scan for issues. And what this is going to do is going to scan for issues with your registry, and this should help your computer's performance a lot. Um, so once this is done here, we can see if we have a couple. I did this before, like recently, so we're not gonna find a lot here with my computer. So once we click fix selected issues, and then you don't really have to back up that, and then we're gonna click on fix all selected issues, and that's gonna clear our unused registry keys that we might have. Um, from the tools tab, if we go to uninstall, um, any programs that you know for sure that you're not going to use, or that you're not using, or that you're not going to use, um, please remove them. Like if you, for example, if I'm not going to use, um, I don't know, Mega Link downloader version. Okay, so if we click that and we click uninstall, that's gonna uninstall that program from that computer, from your computer, and it's just gonna make things run a lot smoother and faster for you. Um, that's a huge thing, huge thing. Make sure that you don't have unnecessary programs in your computer that will slow it down. Um, Next, let's move on to the startup tab here, or section. In your Windows tab, you can check here if you have any startup programs. If you can see, I have most of my programs disabled because all of these programs will start when your Windows starts. So you want to make sure that all of this stuff most of this stuff are disabled, so that when you turn on your computer, you know, less things run. All right, so make sure you disable all of your stuff there. Browser plugins, we don't have to really care about that right now. um, we can skip all that stuff, and that's it for clean CCleaner for you right there. That's it for CCleaner. You can go and put that to the side. In your downloads, there's a lot of stuff maybe that might be clotted in here, because your downloads folder is downloads folder is the folder that you don't really look at a lot. So you want to clear all that up for you in your downloads folder. So make sure that you clear all the files in your downloads folder, and make it all empty and nice. That's gonna help you with your with your performance in your computer. Okay, next let's go to C drive properties, and from here what we can do is we can go to Tools tab, and we can go and do a optimize and defragment drive. This would help with your drive, and what it does is if when you delete files from your computer, from your desktop, for any location, it leaves a mark there. This cleans up that mark, and makes sure that all of your hard drive, it's all cleaned up. So this will not delete anything on your hard drive. All your files will be there, no worries there. So you can go ahead and do this safely. None of your stuff in your C drive is gonna be deleted. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do it with you right now. If you go to your C drive, make sure you click on your C drive and then optimize. And then what's that's gonna do? That's gonna start analyzing and then optimizing your hard drive, so that your hard drive runs a little bit faster and better for you there. Alright, I'm gonna leave that running. So that's pretty much it. Guys, just make sure that you clean all of your stuff in your videos, pictures, music, documents. Make sure that everything there is cleaned. If any of these stuff does not help your computer, you might need to invest in a new computer, just because your hardware might not, be good enough for our current programs, up-to-date programs. There's some programs that has been optimized for newer hardware. So if you've done all these stuff and your computer still runs slow, I would recommend getting a new computer. But this stuff right here should help you with the computer issues that you're having. So that's it, guys. Make sure that you leave a like if you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you on the next video.